Nagsimula ang lahat sa sayaw.
They dance, we move.
Madaming pinauso. Madaming na-inspire at nakiuso.
Popping and locking continues even after 2 decades.
They are bonded by one passion. Dance.
It's a brotherhood. It's a legacy. Hindi natatapos ang sayaw.
25 years and counting!
The Maneuvers!